The intelligent AcuraLink app connects you to your vehicle with remote commands, real-time vehicle information, service scheduling, and more. To access all these great features, start by downloading the AcuraLink app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. When the app download process is complete, open the app and follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup process. There are several important considerations when setting up AcuraLink. When prompted, enter your VIN to add your vehicle to the app. The VIN and VIN barcode can be found on the driver's door jamb. You will also need to sign into AcuraLink using your My Garage credentials, which may have been created at the time of vehicle delivery. If you do not have an existing My Garage account, you can select Register Now and follow the additional on-screen steps. Be sure to register using the same email address, phone number, and postal code as provided to your dealership when purchasing your vehicle. To begin your complimentary trial, select Activate Trial when prompted. No credit card information or commitment is required to activate your trial. You will be given the option of purchasing a recurring subscription at the end of your trial. Lastly, you may need to verify access to the vehicle before using the remote services features. If so, the AcuraLink app will prompt you with simple steps to complete while you're inside your vehicle to verify the connection. This ensures your app has permission to access certain vehicle controls remotely. Note: if you activated your complimentary trial through the My Garage delivery experience when taking ownership of your vehicle, some of the steps outlined in this video may not apply. To learn more about AcuraLink and other connected car features offered on your Acura vehicle, visit acurahelp.ca.